In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for real estate. We'll walk through setting up a simple but powerful board that you can use to manage listings, clients, and deals all in one place. First, log into your Monday.com account. On the left side of your screen, you'll see your list of workspaces. Choose the workspace where you want this real estate board to live. On the right side of that workspace name, click the plus icon. Hover over board, then click new board. A pop-up will appear asking how you want to create it. You might see an option to create a board with AI, but for this walkthrough, choose to create the board manually. Enter a clear board name, like real estate listings or sales pipeline. Then choose what you're managing on this board and set the privacy type based on who should have access. When you're ready, click create board. You'll now be on your new, mostly empty board, and this is where you'll set up the columns that will power your real estate workflow. To add a column, go to the far right of your existing columns and click the plus icon. From there, search for or select the column type you need. For the main item column, you might use the property address, the client name, or a short listing title. Add a status column so you can track stages such as available, under offer, sold, rented, lead contacted, or deal closed. Use a people column to assign the agent or property manager responsible. Add date or timeline columns to manage listing dates, showing dates, or contract deadlines. A numbers column works well for prices, rental rates, commissions, or budgets. Drop-downs or tags are perfect for property type, lead source, or priority. Text or long text columns can hold notes about the property, client preferences, or inspection details. Finally, add a files column so you can attach photos, floor plans, contracts, or reports directly to each item. If you need to adjust your setup, it's easy. To delete a column, hover over its header, click the More Options icon, and choose Delete. To rename a column, click directly on the header text and type. To enter or edit values, click any cell under a column and start typing. To rearrange columns, hover over a header until your cursor becomes a hand, then drag and drop it left or right. Next, organize your work using groups. Groups are colored sections on your board that help structure your items. For real estate, you might create groups by property status, such as available, under offer, and sold or rented. Another approach is to group by client type, like buyers, sellers, and renters. Or you can group by location or region if you work across different areas. Choose the structure that matches how you think about your pipeline. Once your data is in the board, you can visualize your workflow with different views. A Kanban or status view lets you see listings and deals moving through stages. A timeline or Gantt view helps you monitor showing schedules, contract deadlines, and marketing campaigns over time. A calendar view is ideal for open houses, client meetings, and inspections. Map view lets you see properties plotted geographically, which is great if you cover a wide territory. And a dashboard can pull key metrics from your board, giving you an overview of active listings, your sales pipeline, and agent performance. Remember, your Monday.com board is flexible. Start with this basic structure, then tweak your columns, groups, and views as your real estate workflow evolves, so the system always matches the way you actually work.